Hello all, welcome back to the video. So in today's video, we will learn about conductors and insulators. So to make that, we need a base plate, battery holder, clip wires, red for positive, black for negative, a LED or a buzzer, connecting peg, and a material that you need to test. So let's start. First, let's take the base plate. On that base plate, let's insert the battery holder. You can see my red wire is here and black is here. Now insert the batteries into the battery holder. Insert two of the connecting pegs on the side of the base plate and put the wire for the battery holder. Now, let's take the LED and snap it over here. Make sure that my red wire makes a connection with the red wire of the battery holder. Now, let's take one more connecting peg and insert here and insert the black wire. Now, I'll take a black clip wire and insert it over here, and I will clip it with my material that I need to test. Here I have taken eraser. Now according to the class, teachers can take any material like a spoon, or teacher can take a foil paper, she can take a scale, pencil, wooden block. So in this way she can take another or different materials and she can place it in the she can insert it in the copper wire or the copper clip as I am showing. Once it is done, now let's take the red clip wire and connect it on the another side of the material in this way and complete the circuit. As you can see that my LED is not glowing because it's an insulator. That means it will resist the flow of current and thus the LED will not glow. Now let's test it for another sample, that is my spoon. Now, as you all know that the spoon is a conductor, so I am going to clip it with the black wire and the red wire, and the moment I connect it, you can see that my LED is glowing. Similarly, you can replace this LED with either a motor or a buzzer to make your class more fun and interesting. See you in the next. Hello teachers. So today we are going to start learning about what is Blix and how to make a circuit on Blix. Before starting with any circuit, first let's understand the parts in the Blix. So this is going to be the base palette or a plate where you will be attaching or making your circuits. This is the battery holder in which we will be putting the two battery cells. Then this is the buzzer, capacitor, switch, slide switch, motors, LDR sensor, LED, button, crocodile clips, positive and negative, positive for red and black for negative, one more switch, capacitor and a resistor. And we will connect all these pieces by the connecting peg. So let's get started by making a first circuit, that is simple circuits. To make first simple circuit, you have to take the base plate. Along with the base plate, we have to take the battery holder. Now whenever you will see the battery holder, it has two wires, black for negative and red for positive. Attach it by the piece or the extension which is given in the battery holder into the base plate in this way. After that, we have to insert the cells into the battery holder. Now we will take connecting peg and insert it here. I am taking two connecting pegs, and now I will insert my wires in each of the connecting peg in this way. After that, let's take the first object, that is the LED. Snap the LED as shown in the base plate Now make sure whenever you insert the LED, you have to connect the corresponding wires. Means, if my battery holder have red wire in the right hand side, you will also insert your LED in such a way that the red wire is on the right hand side. Now make a connection between both of them. Same, I will complete the same circuit by inserting the black wire into the black wire of the battery holder. And in this way, your first simple circuit is ready. You can also change this LED or you can replace this LED with some other object like a buzzer or a motor, just to make your class more interactive and fun. You have to just insert that component and complete the circuit in this way. As you can hear the sound. Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about a new circuit, that is water overflow alarm. We have seen many different types of alarms, but today it is going to be different. Now in this circuit, my buzzer is going to be played when the water reaches to a certain level. So let's see how to make it. To make base plate, you need a buzzer, you need the battery holder along with some batteries, you need a crocodile clips and some connecting pegs and a glass filled with water. So let's get started. In step number 1, we are going to take the battery holder and in that we will be inserting some batteries. After this, we will be taking the connecting pegs and we will insert the connecting pegs in this way. After attaching the connecting peg, I will be inserting the wires. Now, once my wires are attached, I'll be taking a buzzer as an output and I'll be snapping it here. Now make sure whenever you will insert the buzzer, the red wire of my buzzer should always make a connection with the red wire of the battery holder. After this, I will be taking one more connecting peg and I'll be inserting it here. Now, let's take a black crocodile clip and insert it with the black wire of the buzzer. Now, as I've told you that we are making a water overflow alarm, so we need a glass of water. Here you can see the level is very low. So let's keep it here and put my crocodile clip in the glass. To complete the circuit, let's take the positive crocodile clip and put it in the water and connect the another end in the black wire of the battery holder. As you can see, there is no voice that is coming from the buzzer because the circuit is not complete. So to make the circuit complete, now I will pour some water. Once both of the crocodile clip is completely immersed in the water, the sound will come from the buzzer. And in this way, your circuit is complete. I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone. So today we will learn about series and parallel connection by using bricks. So to make that, we need a baseboard, a battery holder along with some batteries, a buzzer, switch, LED, and some connecting pegs. So let's get started. Now, the very first step is you have to take the bricks baseboard. On that, insert the battery connector or the battery holder in this way. Make sure that your batteries are fixed in the place. My positive wire is here and my negative wire is here. Now, first I will be showing you that how can you make a series connection. Whenever I talk about series connection, in series connection, each of the component will get an equivalent amount of current. I'll show you how. First, let's insert 2 pegs, connecting pegs in the base model like this and fix the wires in it. After that, let's take a switch. This is a button. Let's take a button. Now if you notice here, in my button, the wires are blue in color. The reason why is because the button is non-polar. That means it is irrespective of positive or negative. That's the reason the blue wires are given to it. Now I'll be snapping my button here and connecting one of the wire with my battery holder. After this, I have to take one more connecting peg and insert it here and insert the another wire which is there in my button. Now the component that I need to blink or to glow, I'll be taking it here and I'll be inserting it this way. Make sure that whenever you insert the LED, the same wire should and insert the another wire which is there in my button. Now the component that I need to blink or to glow, I'll be taking it here and I'll be inserting it this way. Make sure that whenever you insert the LED, the same wire should be connected with the wire of the battery holder. So I'm inserting the red wire here and the black wire of my LED in this connecting peg. Now my circuit is complete, so let's glow the LED. Wow, it's glowing amazingly. Now let's make a parallel connection. In parallel connection, I can add one more component by giving the same source of current. Let me show you how. Here I have one more component with me, that is buzzer. I will snap my buzzer just below the LED in this way. Make sure again that you insert the red wire of the buzzer with the red wire of the battery holder and the black wire of the LED. Now let me press the button. You can listen to that sound. Now this is the parallel connection where two of the components are connected at the same point. Thank you. Hello all. So welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to make home wiring system. To make home wiring, you need a Blix base plate. You need a battery connector along with the two batteries. You need two buttons, a LED, a motor, and some connecting pegs. You can also replace the motor with the buzzer if you want. So let's make the circuit. So now let's start making the circuit. To make this, first let's take the battery holder and insert two batteries into it. After doing that, let's put it on the base plate in this way. Now let's put two connecting pegs on the edge and put the wires of the battery. After this, let's take a button. Now as you know that the buttons are non-polar, the wires will not affect the connection. So after putting or inserting my button, I will be inserting one of the wire into the black wire of my battery holder. I will take one more button and I will insert the button just above the first button and again insert the wire into my screw in this way. After that, now I will take one more connecting peg and I will insert the another wire of the button. Now let's take a LED and snap the LED over here. Now make sure whenever you snap the LED, the red wire should get connected with the red wire of the battery holder and the black wire should be connected to the wire of the switch or the button. Now as we are making a home wiring system, we will take another component that can be either a buzzer or a motor. Let's connect all the three wires, three red wires here in this way, and the black wire of the buzzer with the blue wire of the button in this way. And now my circuit is ready. So let's see, when I press this button, you can hear the sound properly for the buzzer, and when you press this button you can see that my LED is getting switched on. You can also replace the buzzer with the motor, and after replacing it you can also attach a fan to it. Thank you.